Good morning. What to do, people? Sunday morning. Say about 9:30. Let me check that. 9:20. It's 9:20 Sunday morning. Got a lot going on today. Today's Bentley's birthday, by the way. Bray's birthday was a few days ago. Bentley's birthday is today. Little cat turns 8 years old. Y'all wish him a happy birthday. I'll read them all to him in the comments. But I just got a call from our big homie, Steve Davis. Y'all know Steve Davis. I know y'all watch. He's got some wheels in the area that he wants. And he lives about an hour and a half from here. So he hit me with a call, asked me could I go get them. Damn right I could go get them, man. That's how you do it. That's how you do it for people, man. You always be there for somebody when they need you. So rather than him have to come all the way to Athens and grab these wheels, I'm gonna go scoop them up for him. And then J.Malcom's show is later. So he's supposed to be going to that. I'm supposed to be going to that. And that's where we'll just transfer them over to him, save him a trip. So I've had people do this for me before in the past, man. It really helps out when you don't have to make this long trip. You can trust somebody to get them picked up for you. So I'm about to go get those. Hopefully I can bring y'all some footage of that. And then we'll get ready for J.Malcom's show later. And just got a lot of stuff going on today. So I'll get on this footage, man, and I'll bring it to y'all. All right, we got them. They FaceTimed each other. And they locked in on them. So I got them picked up. Some real crackers too, man. Real classic style. Real classic. Steve, I don't know what you're putting these on, but I think it'll look pretty good with some new white walls and some white leather tire. Polish them up a little bit. I know you're gonna get them things in the game. But that's it for that little part of the adventure. Man, I'm back at the house, man. I've been messaging Steve. Boy, that man blew my mind, man. That man said these wheels be going for like 1,000 each new. And like for a used set, they go for like 1,000. Like, damn! I mean, I see they're real crackers. But I just don't be into that type of stuff like that, so I would have never known. But he got himself a hell of a deal. I ain't gonna tell you what he paid. He might tell you in his video, so y'all go check his videos out. But I'm back at the house. I think I'm gonna be taking the dually to the show for the simple fact that everybody wants to go. Bray wanna go, Ben wanna go, Mucho wanna go. So hell, even my wife might wanna go. So of course we can't all fit in that. So I think I need to clean the dually up. It's dirty, it's a work truck, you know what I'm saying? But when it is clean, it does look pretty good. So I gotta see. I never got the Impala tire fixed, man. That would be the move right there if I could do that. But let's just get started, man, see how the day goes. All right, so I haven't even really looked at the footage from yesterday. It was early in the morning. I'm not sure if the footage was good or not. So what I'll do is I'll explain what we had going on. I had a guy contact me about the engine that was in here, the V6. I had it listed online for $500 for the engine and the transmission. He asked me what I take just for the engine, as a lot of people have done. I've probably had 15, 20 messages about it. I told him $300. He showed up. He took a look at it. He heard it run. He offered me $270. We agreed on like $280, and he was gonna pull it out. So I cannot beat that deal. I basically got paid for somebody to take it out for me. He took it. He put it in a '93 Blazer. Hopefully the footage I shot yesterday was good, so y'all can see the process. But that's how that went. So engine is out, transmission is out. Now we got to get the mounts out. Can't see it because of the shadows, but get the new mounts in, drop the 6.0 in. So we're just starting the dismantling process, right? Getting stuff out of the way. I got the exhaust out of it. Man, what in the honky tonk is this? What is this? Is that a pipe? And is that a muffler? And that a muffler? Cherry bomb with a muffler on the back. I done seen it all. I done seen it all. I don't know. I haven't. I ain't a exhaust specialist, but I ain't never seen that before, man. We got a muffler and then whatever this is. Now if that's some kind of way to delete a cat, I could figure that out maybe. I mean, but I don't know. The things you see, man. So I'm finna put this online and see if I can get a few ducats back. Y'all know we like to get money back for our builds. So that's all. I was just taking some stuff out, trying to get some stuff out the way. Coolant lines and battery cables, they're almost loose. Get that stuff out the way, put it back later. But hey, still rocking, man. Still rocking along. Boy, this is a job right here, boy. Goodness gracious, I never wash this thing. I always pay somebody to wash it. It just takes too long. But me and Bray gonna try to, there go Bray.
Yo, what's up?
We're gonna try to get this thing at least decent. We're gonna try to get it at least decent for the J.Malcom show. If we hauling the family, we got to be at least decent, man. We can't be riding no junk. So we're gonna try to spray it off. And here's the before. Wheels super dirty, truck super dirty. I mean, my kids put handprints and stuff all in it. I don't know if y'all can see that. But it's a work truck, man. We get down in that bad boy. So we'll check back with y'all in a second. Hopefully we can get it looking proper and give us a little bit. We'll be back.
Perfecto.
Alright, that's the ultimate spot wash. That's the ultimate spot. Hey. That's the ultimate spot wash right there, man. You know, I'm lazy, man. I'm getting old. I'm getting old and lazy. I just spot wash it. You can see some dirty parts, but it'll turn a head. That's all we want when we drive by, just turn a head. So we're finna head out of here. We're finna go to the J.Malcom meet. We loaded up. We'll holler at y'all when we get there.
Hey yo, Dro, turn up on me.
Oh yeah, yep.
Oh, you know we got to have that.
Y'all follow on YouTube. I think we friends on Facebook too.
I appreciate it. What's your name is on that?
Roger.
I appreciate that. Yeah, you got you something nice and clean right there. How long it took you to do it from beginning to end?
I started in March and I finished in about June.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
3-4 months? Yeah, that's pretty good.
That was just the engine and transmission swap though.
4L60?
Yeah.
And you said you bought it with a little squat on there, or you put it on there?
I put it on there.
What kind of drop is it?
It's a flip kit.
Did you touch the front at all?
I ain't touched the front.
That look good.
Oh yeah.
1990.
I said I ain't tuned it. Yeah, I let them know they got it.
Yeah. Yeah, that's clean right there. Check the inside out.
I don't know what I'm paying to now. I don't spend too much money like it is. Hey.
Super clean.
I want to leave it at nobody's shopping center.
That's something you gotta worry about these days, cause these trucks taking over, man.
Yeah.
They're stealing them left and right.
Every day.
Yeah. Birthday boy.
Yep.
You enjoying your birthday? Give me 5. This sucker clean right here. You said this was a 6.0 or 5.3?
6.0 here. You can see it on the front.
Super clean. Had the rear end cut down to fit the big wheels. OG clean. OG clean, boy. For sure.
Yeah, I just take it.
We got another one out here. We got another one. Hey, these my favorite light setup. I love these 4 little lights on the front.
Yeah, you used to love mine. Mine got the LEDs on mine.
Yeah. What year is it?
88.
What my brother-in-law got. He got an 88.
Hey, this one was mine.
Yeah. Yeah, I like those wheels. Huh? By who? Oh, you painted them? Oh yeah. That's the best way to do it, isn't it? You can't trust nobody but yourself. Yes, sir. Steve Davis.
Yeah. I started to hit him up and see if he was all right. He said he made it. That's all that matters. He made it.
Steve Davis in the building.
Is that the house?
You got that big block in there. What's your engine look like?
Oh, man, still. I done built another motherfucker. Everything
Yes, sir.
that you see is not gonna be in there.
Run good though, I bet. Just need a little bit more, ain't it?
You always need that little bit more, man. Always need that little bit more. I keep getting on nobody holding off a little bit longer. Hold on. Don't put it in there yet. Hold on.
Yeah.
Don't put it in there yet. This gonna come.
Yeah, that's clean right there. That's a good base right there. You always want to start with something good.
Gotta start with strong foundation.
Yep. I gotta put you on it now. Get on back over here. Them one of the subscribers right here. Hey, he support.
How y'all doing?
He support. Yes, sir.
Oh, that's a trip.
Yeah.
Look, well, it's crazy. You know the person never got my name right.
The 15x8s I got, 2 of them. They kind of bad, but total I paid 160. No tax.
Yeah. Yeah.
A lot of people don't know about these though.
Yeah,
Nobody seen
yeah.
that price. I said,
This cat clearly knows about it. He definitely tried to get him.
I don't know what he was thinking about. Hey, so I seen it and I seen the price. I sent you the pictures.
Yep.
You ain't gonna find it again for that.
Yeah, you missed out. You missed out, Ramon. You missed out. You missed out.
Hey, you can't win them all. You
I
can't win
hear
them all.
that. I hear that. First time I seen Steve Davis box in person. Made me miss my box, man. I had a 1990 police box. My favorite car. That was my high school car. Like a dummy, I sold that sucker. Cream 73. Still looking good. What's up, man? Oh, hey, I'm here. I'm here. 3-car trailer. Pulled by Chevy Dooley. Steve actually got an 8.1 in this one. He got a big block, gas. So mine's got the Duramax diesel. He got the big block, gas. I think these 8.1s also have an Allison. I had to ask him, but I think they come with an Allison transmission. It's a nice setup right there. That 3-car. I see you, Big Steve. Sir, I like the look of that right there.